Hey, what's up everyone, Nomadic Gaijin here. Today I'm going to be doing a second minis video because I found so much cool stuff since and I really want to show you guys. Let's check it out. I found this home center that's got all these little baskets you can see in the picture right here. In these you can just pick up whichever item you want. And because they're plastic wrapped, you can't really figure out necessarily what's inside, so there's no cheating. And then I got one bonus one I'm going to show you guys at the end. First one, kitchen tools. This one has 6 different items and I'm going to open it here for you and we're going to check it out. And I got measuring cup. Look at that. It's like the measuring cup that we have where it's got the measuring little bits on the side. I wonder if these measurements actually are something. Oh, it's in milliliters, but there's no way that's accurate. It's just a scale model, right? Next, we got 2 sets of these, miniature furniture, version 1, and there's a 2, we'll see later. So I'm gonna open this one now and see what I got. Oh, I got a red chair. Well, isn't that cute? And it has little stoppers on the feet. Don't want to damage your table, right? Just like chairs at real restaurants, you might have to put a little paper towel under it or something to keep it straight. But it's the plant series. I'm gonna check this out. I get a bottle here. That's it, that's all I get. No, it looks like there's something else that comes with it. Oh, okay, so there's fake leaves, I'm hoping, and fake flowers. So I guess I can decorate this myself. This one's pretty cool. It's the Power Tools Bosch series. I don't know if I'll get the one that I really wanted. There were like 2 that looked really cool. And I got a vacuum cleaner and it comes with all the little attachments too. It's got the mini vac and then I can actually do all the attachments. I never used a Bosch vacuum cleaner, so I have no idea how good. I was kind of hoping for the power drill, but so now I've got the vacuum. But they went one step further and they actually took the battery pack and they have that, so you can attach that as well. Oops. That was cool. I want to go vacuum. Yay! I can vacuum before putting my chair down. This is fantastic. Yeah. All right, this next one is home clean. These are cleaning tools, so you can feel like you're scrubbing a mini house, which is why I have a chair and maybe another piece of furniture as well. And what did I get? Oh, this one is like the most boring of the bunch. I got a scrub brush with attached secondary pack. I guess there's another one in here. But it's a keychain, so that's cool, I guess. If you want to be like, I love cleaning, I'm gonna put this on my backpack. I was hoping for the mop bucket or a spray ball or something, but that's all right. What I got here is the sake mini collection, or sake as people say in other countries, but yeah, it's sake, yeah. And this one looked pretty neat. There's actually like a cask, which would be, I guess, the grand prize, but most likely it'll be a bottle. So we're gonna check out in here. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. That's rare. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Oh, I like that. I like that. They have just like a mini barrel of sake just hanging out on your counter. I gotta make sure to vacuum up before I put it down. The last one from these series, from this home center, is Miniature Furniture 2. I think this one had a little bit more interesting things than the Miniature Furniture 1, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what we got for the chair. Oh, I guess I can have company now. That's good. Another chair, yay! This one's actually much nicer than the first chair. First chair is kind of like a diner chair, and it's something that I would sit on at home. It's pretty nice. I mean, you know, obviously a bigger size of this, but yeah. The last thing I want to show, some of you may have seen on social media, I posted the other day when I saw it, but I just couldn't resist. It's cat food, but then they're like, let's take cat food a step further and make it a ring. And you know, there's 6 varieties, so if you really want all 6, you can get those and put them on your fingers and stuff. I wonder what kind I got. I mean, I'm hoping for, you know, liver and onions here, but this is tuna. Oh, classic cat food. And they've got the little thing. So if you want to put this on your backpack, cool, and be like, I support cat food everywhere, that's great. But if you want to wear it, that's where it gets really special. I'm afraid to put this on like my regular finger because I'm afraid it'll be stuck, but look how fancy that is. I might just sport this next couple of days, just walk around and see if anyone compliments me on my new cat food ring. And that's it. So I'm gonna keep looking for these cool little miniature things. It seems like you guys enjoy it and I enjoy finding them. I'm building up quite a collection here, so it's pretty fun. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon.